How to remove the food tray and adjust. First, remove the side feed port. Follow these steps to install the chicken feeder box. Step 1. Attach side and front panels, 1 screw. Step 2. Install the other side panel, 1 screws. Step 3. Install base plate, 2 screws. Step 4. Install the back plate, 4 screws. Step 5. Align the screw holes on the 3 parts. Step 6. Secure them with screws, 12 screws for per leg. Step 7. Remove the plastic nut, 8 sets. Step 8. Install the rubber gasket, 8 sets. Step 9. Install the feeding port, 8 sets. Step 10. Install the C-shaped handle, 2 screws. Step 11. Snap on the cover and remove the protective film.